Right, so today I'll be showing you how to add hanging indents in your Google Docs document. So the first thing you want to do is select the area of the Google Docs document that you want to add hanging indents. Now once that is selected, you can go to Format in the menu bar at the top, click on that, and then go to Align and Indent, and then you want to go and click on Indentation Options. Now this little window will pop up. So under special indent, click on the drop down arrow and select hanging. And then you can select how far you want it to hang inside. So I'm just going to select 0.5 for me and then click on apply. And you can see that adds the hanging indents. Now I'm just going to undo that so I can show you a different way of doing it. Now the second method is using the ruler. Now once the text is selected, make sure the ruler is visible in your Google Docs document. As you can see, mine, for me, it's not currently visible. So first, you want to go to the menu bar at the top and click on View, and then under View, click on Show Ruler. So that's what you use to show and hide the ruler. So as you can see, we now have a ruler up here. So now you can select your text, beg your pardon. Now you can just select the text where you want to add hanging indents, and then you can push this little slider to the right, and you want to push it as far as you want the indents to hang. So I'm just gonna put mine there. Now that's going to push all the text there. And then now you want to click on the top part of the arrow. You can see this little arrow has two parts. So the upper part of it, I can now drag it back all the way to the beginning there. And then that creates hanging indents as well. All right. So these are two ways of adding hanging indents in your Google Docs document. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.